and in the southwest. We call upon the Kaduna Mafians. We call upon the Lantern Mafians. We call upon the Daura Caliphates. We call upon the cabals in Daura and Katsina. We call upon the lords of Bodilon Road. We call upon every one of them. They know what their plans are. They know their secrets. Have come of age. 50 years of sacrifice. Igbo, 50 years. My brother, 50 years. It took, I can count 3 Igbo men. It took 3 good Igbo men to make Abuja what it is today. 3 key Igbo men to make Abuja what it is today. It took 2 Igbo men after the war to revamp the economy of Lagos State. Okwadiko Igbo is here. He knows who they are. It took 2 Igbo men to make Lagos State what it is today economically. Not to talk of the Southeast, not to talk of other places. Then why should we be the economic rat of Nigeria? Why others run the country and milk the country and plunder the country, and we still remain part of this Nigeria? The only way we can kill the spirit of secession for the next generation is to give the Igbo man the presidency in 2023. And I think we are making that course, and we are asking, and we believe that those listening will hear, and with a heart of understanding, we call for a dialogue, we call for a discourse, and in a peaceful way, we will do it. If not, I hope that by 2023 there will still be a place called Nigeria.